Y'all ready for a show today, baby?
Go time, baby.
We've been waiting all week for this.
This is where it happens right here, man. You trying to get your name out there, you do it right now tonight.
Hey, they don't like us, we don't like them. Nothing wrong with that, all right?
Do we want to go against this sorry-ass Oakland Raiders? Sorry-ass Oakland Raiders. Man, Oakland Raiders. I'm tired of hearing that. This our house. That's all that need to be said. We all we got, but we all we need. We all we got. We all we need. We all we got. We all we need. 1, 2, 3, swag. Woo! What's that? What's that?
Go, Roy, go.
Come on, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go.
Hurry up, you gotta make them go fast, gotta make them go fast.
Here's Gabriel, he'll break free, 30, 25. The Bears are gonna get a touchdown out of this.
And Vance McDonald stripped it before the goal line.
Oh, what a dope.
Get through that.
That's just a dumb play. It's a dumb thing to do.
We're better than what we're doing right now. We gotta dig deep and go. We're better than what we're showing out there right now. I promise you that.
What you do is persevere. You hang in there and you hang in there and you keep playing tough.
Emotions are high right now, right? Emotions are high. I love this, right? This is what you get up for. This is why you play the game and go out there and attack like this. Don't stop being who the you are, but be smart. But be smart. Don't stop being who the you are, but be smart, all right? Let's go, Walt. Come on, tackle, tackle, tackle.
Fakes the give to Coleman, wants to throw, does on the middle. Go for Quinn, right side, to the house, end zone, that is big!
Handoff to number 36, Javoris Allen.
Keep that personal out there. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Hey, I'm way faster than 82. Look at the meter. Look at the meter. I'm way faster than 82. I wouldn't look at the meter. Hey, camera don't lie. I'm all under their skin. All under their skin. They mad. All under it. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I'm in y'all DNA. I'm in y'all DNA. Yeah. I'm in y'all DNA. Say something to the camera. Ooh, with the stats.
Tyrod takes, fires into the end zone. The pass is caught for a touchdown on the tip pass.
We are very, very fortunate.
Rashard Matthews, longest play of the year.
Here's Jordan Howard, left to the 10. Howard 5, turns upfield, touchdown!
I've never seen that. Oh my goodness.
That's how you close a team out.
Hey, here we go. Bring it up tight.
From start to finish, fellas, that's how we're built. You guys know that. That's how we're built. You do that at home, that's what we got to do. That's the way we got to be.
That gives you a little glimpse of where we can go.
Never lose sight of the hard work. Never lose sight of how we support each other, the unity, the things we talked about before the game.
1, 2, 3. We all we got. 4, 5, 6. We all we need.